Hey guys, my name is Lauren. This is my very first time doing a screencast, so bear with me. I chose to do a presentation on the places that I go throughout the year. In the spring, I'm usually traveling to the river. We like to go to the Colorado River and hang out at Lake Havasu. Um, we're actually going there for the 4th of July this weekend, so that should be fun. In the summer, we still go to the river, but it tends to get scorching hot out there, so we like to go camping at the beach a lot. I've included a few state beaches that we typically choose to stay at. In the fall, I like to travel to Oregon. My family lives up there, specifically in Grants Pass, which is southern Oregon. I like to go up there to get away. My favorite time to go is in the fall because you actually get to experience the fall weather instead of just the Southern California definition of fall weather. So it's a nice climate change. In the winter, we like to go to the desert. My family, as well as my boyfriend's family, are big into dirt bikes. So we like to go to places like Glamis, Ocotillo, Pismo, things like that. My last slide I chose to put in was some pictures of the places that we go throughout the year. This is the yellow boat's my boyfriend's boat, and then these are all other friends and stuff, and that's us in our boat, and then this is us in the mountains. Us in Oregon, I only was able to find a few pictures that I could get uploaded on here of Oregon, but this is our last trip we went to in Oregon. I got a few nice pictures. This was our most recent trip to Dockweiler, a trip that we like to do often. So these are just a few pictures of all the things that I mentioned earlier. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I hope that I get better at this.